kabila. Magaling naman. Nakaharap doon. Tulog mo? Nakalala. Halika dali. Sana kahit pa ang opinion nyo tungkol sa chemistry, because chemistry can be a lot of fun. Pero yung paglaruan ng chemistry. And with that, we say goodbye to you guys. My name is classmate Patrick. He's Axel White Armin. We're saying a good night. Goodbye and God bless. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.